What's up, everybody? Hope all of you out there are staying safe right now during this COVID. Today what we're going to do is we're going to actually do us a real quick workout. I'm going to show you that you can get a real good effective workout using the TOWER-200 Body by Jake, alright? Want to thank you all for viewing this video, and like always, we're going to move right on into it, okay? We're going to start off real quick with what we would call some deadlifts, okay? But we're going to do them with the actual straight bar. We're going to do 15 reps. Ready? Begin. At the top. As you can see, we're doing them with the overhand. You can also do them with the reverse grip. All right. Set that there. Let's call these just some pull downs. All right. 15 reps of pull downs. 15. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open that chest up. 7. There you go. 8. Don't forget the pause on the back right here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Pause. All right. Let's do some reverse, okay? Reverse grip. With the straight bar into the right there into the where your navel's at. Pull it back. 15 reps. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pause right there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, the TOWER-200 works excellent if you just don't want to put no weights or nothing like that, but you want a real good, effective workout, all right? The TOWER-200 is excellent. Let's do them this way. Cable cross, just like what you're doing, cable crossovers, okay? Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Let's do some one arm punches. 15 each arm, alternating. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, Excellent. All right, the next exercise we're gonna do some upright rows, okay? 15 reps of upright rows with the straight bar. Right there. And begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's the pause at the top. 13, 14, 15. All right then. While we got the bar up, let's do some shoulder shrugs, all right? We'll do 15 reps. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's do some rear shrugs too. Ready? Feet shoulder width apart. All right. Pause on the way up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Now let's do some bicep curls. Ready? 15 reps. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right here. One more. All right. Whew. Okay, we're gonna continue on with this workout, all right? I wanna thank each and every one of you for viewing this video with me. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones and your friends. Stay safe out there. Today's video, a quarantine workout with the TOWER-200 is very effective. If you don't have one of these right now with the gyms being closed and shut down, get one of these right here and it'll help you. It'll allow you to do your workout at home, all right? And get the various different machines in the comfort of your own home. This is Tyrone. I want to thank you all again for viewing the video. Stay safe out there, and remember, we're always seeking fitness. Take care. Have a nice day.